bit of a preview for some upcoming puzzles that I got from Puzzle Master. I'm really excited about all of these. This is a cool little piano puzzle. We've got some really neat ones. I got a bit of a variety this time. Things that you'll see. I'll have links for all of them in the video description, and then over the next couple of weeks I will be solving these and showing you the solution, and also maybe some of, I don't know, what happens when I first see them. So I guess, why don't I pick this one? This one has the most amount open. Clear out some space here and take a look at this one here. It's a lock, obviously, and I've got to move the pieces so that I can unlock it. Okay, can't see much that's moving here yet. Okay, so clearly that's something. There we go. Okay. I'm looking at these inside, and what you can see is that this side here has, it goes out just a little bit. So I assume this here will shift like that, and then it'll move it a little bit over so that this next one that's slightly wider than the first, but not quite as wide as the third. So this is kind of like a modern-ish version of, from what I'm seeing here, yeah, of the Towers of Hanoi. So basically I'm going to have to go up to here at this level so that I can pull the second one down just a little bit, and then I'm going to have to go all the way back to pull it down one more. And then I'm going to have to go all the way out to pull it down one more, and then all the way back to pull it down one more, and so on. And what's challenging about this is, oh, first off, probably keeping track of whether you're supposed to be going up or down, but also once you've gotten them all the way down there, one of those motions is one of this. Yeah. So this is, so then now I'm going to have to do this one here all the way up and back and up and back and up and back so that I can move the second one. And then do that a bunch of times. Yeah. So this is more of an endurance game, I think, than anything else. And like I said, not forgetting where I am. So I think that one goes up, and then, oh wait, that one goes up. Does that mean, no, not yet. Two steps. Alright, maybe I have to put this in fast forward for all of you so you don't have to sit through this. Definitely watching this in fast forward. There we go. Kind of see how that worked. And this piece, of course, on the far end, slides over. I'm never going to get it back together again. Slides in like that. This comes in. Very cool. So it's really easy to see now that it's set kind of layers, you know, that this one here is the smallest, and this middle one's the middle, obviously. And this one here has the one sliding piece that goes the full length. Very cool. Alright. These puzzles are so smart. And, I mean, you add in, I could figure out the number of moves you have to do, but for every single one of those you have to move. So if you add in a fourth layer, you make it increasingly difficult and challenging. Now it's time to reset it. I'm going to have to go through all of those steps backwards. Let's go this way. And there we have it. Solved and reset. Not bad. Again, this is the first time that I've seen this puzzle, and it is a type of puzzle where you can see all the inner workings here. So if you're fairly familiar with puzzles, you can do that. There are some other ones that are similar to this one. It's pretty decent level, really well put together. I like this one. Compare that with some of them that you can't see any of the inner workings and need to figure it out just based on maybe clues around the outside. I'm excited to see some of those ones, and you'll be seeing them in the next couple of videos. So if you want this puzzle, check it out. There's links in the video description. Have a wonderful day.